Hey guys, I have already started a few loads of laundry. I have to make my bed. I'm not sure if I want to put the dark gray linen onto my bed or the blush color. I haven't used my blush bedding or blush room decor in quite a while. I went ahead and used the light gray sheets that I had already washed. The look was a little too plain for me, so I decided to add another white comforter and some navy blue decor to wake up the space. The wall art above my bed is a DIY Z Gallery inspired piece that I had made because I couldn't find anything that caught my attention in the stores. The pillows and the throw are from Home Goods, as well as the mirrored box. I went to Walmart for a few things. The large water bottles I used to fill my coffee reservoir. The sodas are for my older son. I figured I would try the Walmart brand creamy hazelnut cups. I fell in love with Walmart's caramel cream cups, so I'm hoping this one is yummy as well. The Italian breads are really delicious, and I like to spread butter on them and toast them. I purchased some more Persil disc, and I'm going to try the Arm & Hammer detergent pods. They were really inexpensive. I believe they were $4.94 for a 24 count pack. I grabbed a few more things that my kids like: chicken strips, nuggets, fries, and some snacks. I wanted to show you guys these mats I picked up from Marshall's a couple of weeks ago. They have really come in handy. I like that they are color coded and are easy to grab instead of pulling out my large cutting board all the time. I bought this bento box for my son from Amazon to compartmentalize his lunch. I have to buy him one of those square cups that's shaped like a juice box for his beverages because the cups he has now are too big to fit both the bento box and cups into his lunch bag. I'm going to make myself a cup of coffee before I start back getting the house in order. This is the flavor I just purchased, and this brand is the only one I could find that has espresso coffee pods. Whenever I don't want to use my espresso maker and I want an espresso, I pop one of those in. This one is my new favorite at the moment, caramel cream, so I'll just have this one for now before I'm moving on to the master bath. Now that I have my son's toys out of the tub, I will first be sanitizing it with bleach, then giving it a refresh with Gaines multi-surface cleanser. Then I'll be moving on to doing more laundry and cleaning the other two bathrooms. Now I'm in my office. I just have to put away some of the things I took out for my customers' orders. I didn't have my usual mess because I shipped off a bunch of things yesterday evening. I used the mesh bags to insert items into before shipping them. I placed both clothing and skincare products in them and box or polymail them accordingly. I include a coupon code and a business card with each order. This pile of clothes need to be washed and folded and placed into the shelves, which is a complete mess. I have to reorganize these shelves again at another time. The small rack is used for photo shoots and hanging orders until to be rubbed with the lint roller and folded before packaging and for shipping. I try not to mess up my shoe and purse shelves, but as you can see, I still have things tossed here and there. I won't be cleaning this area because my husband has his football pool stuff laid out, so I know he's coming back to finish up in a minute. I did want to spot clean the sofas. Instead, I will be just vacuuming this space and wipe off the speakers and media center. I'm cutting some oranges and strawberries for my milk pedicure I will be doing later today. We're having tacos for dinner tonight, so I'm getting ready to wash the chopped lettuce, cut up some tomatoes and onions. I actually like adding green onions to my tacos, but we didn't have any more. I will be using my Sensational to repair my chipped nail polish and mixing up some sugar foot scrub to use during my pedicure. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I'm ending my evening with a nice patty and hydration before I shower and do my nighttime skincare routine. I'm hoping that you guys that are new here would consider subscribing to my channel, and I will talk to you all in my next video.